Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile board game sets out there, the Game Gallery 12-in-1 Game House board game. If you're looking for a diverse collection of classic games all in one package, this might just be the ultimate addition to your game night arsenal. This set features a whopping 12 classic board games, neatly packed into a single box. From timeless favorites like chess and checkers to family-friendly options like snakes and ladders. It's designed to cater to a wide range of gaming preferences. Let's talk about what you get inside this box. Each game comes with its own set of high-quality components, ensuring durability and longevity. Whether you're a fan of strategic play or prefer something more casual, there's something here for everyone. I've had the chance to dive into each game in this collection, and I must say, the gameplay experience is top-notch. Whether you're challenging a friend to a game of chess or engaging in some competitive fun with snakes and ladders, the variety keeps things interesting. The build quality of the game pieces is impressive. They're sturdy, well-crafted, and designed to withstand frequent use. This ensures that your investment in this board game set will last for years to come. Now, let's talk about value. Considering you're getting 12 games in one, the price tag is quite reasonable. It's a cost-effective way to expand your game collection without breaking the bank. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for a versatile board game set that delivers on variety and quality, look no further than the Game Gallery 12-in-1 Game House board game. It's a family-friendly choice that promises hours of fun and is definitely worth considering for your next game night. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this fantastic board game set. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest and greatest products.